Hey guys, this is going to be a food review. I'm going to be reviewing this acai bowl that you can get at Aldi for $2.49. It is 160 calories if you don't add the granola, but if you add the granola, I believe it brings it to 250 calories. Guys, I'm going to take the first bite. Hopefully I like this. Okay, so I've never had acai before, but acai tastes kind of like a jelly thing, which is pretty decently good. And I got some of the blueberry. I'm trying to form my opinion on it. It's good. Had to take more than one bite to form my opinion of it, but I'm going to put more granola. Guys, I added coconut shavings, just plain unsweetened coconut shavings, and I really like it with the coconut shavings. So for this smoothie bowl, it's not my favorite smoothie bowl that I've ever had, but it does taste really good, and if you like acai, you probably would like this. But if you don't like acai or you have never tried it, it might not be your favorite thing. But would I buy this again? Probably. And I think it's good. It's just not the sweetest, it just tastes healthier. It's not one of those super sugary smoothie bowls, but it is sweet. And if you're looking for something like this is a good option because it's $2 and something. So guys, I finished it all without the stuff that I added to it. I would give it probably a 6.5 or a 7 without the stuff that I added. My favorite part of this smoothie bowl would be the acai base and the granola. I mean, the fruit is good. It tastes like blueberries and strawberries, but it's just not as sweet as I would like it to be. But it's still really good on its own. But to my smoothie bowl, I added organic unsweetened coconut flakes, and then later on I decided to add this organic dark chocolate coconut crunch. And with these two things added to the smoothie bowl, I would give it a 9 out of 10, adding these two things. And yes, it's gonna make it higher in calories, but I'll always eat my smoothie bowls for my breakfast. So if it's like 400 or 500 calories, I really don't care because I'm having it for a meal. But I really enjoyed this smoothie bowl, and I will review the other one. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!